In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice from estimates in QuickBooks Online. This is a valuable skill for any business owner or freelancer who's looking to streamline their billing process. Invoicing directly from estimates can save you time and reduce errors, making your accounting more accurate and efficient. Let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is navigate to the Sales section on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. This section is your hub for managing all your transactions, so it's important to familiarize yourself with it to improve your workflow. Once you're in the Sales section, direct your attention to the top where you'll find various tabs. What we're looking for is the Estimates tab. Click on this tab and you'll be taken to a comprehensive list of all the estimates you've created for your customers. This list is organized to help you quickly find and manage your estimates, making it easier to keep track of what's outstanding or needs action. Now, to convert an estimate to an invoice, browse through your list of estimates to find the specific one you wish to convert. You may notice a small caret icon next to each estimate. This icon is your tool for more options, so go ahead and click on it for the estimate you wish to convert. You'll see various options pop up, among which will be Convert to Invoice. Selecting this option will initiate the process of transforming your estimate into a billable invoice. The QuickBooks system will then guide you to a new window where you'll be able to fill in the details of the invoice. This is your opportunity to review the information auto-filled from the estimate and make any necessary adjustments. Check for things such as item descriptions, quantities, and prices to ensure everything is correct. If your client needs any additional details on the invoice, you can add them at this stage, once you're satisfied that everything appears as it should. The final step is to save the invoice. Look for the Save button, which is usually situated towards the bottom of the screen, and click it to confirm your invoice. This step officially documents the invoice in your QuickBooks system for future tracking and gets it ready for sending. And there you have it. You've successfully converted an estimate into an invoice within QuickBooks Online. The transition from planning costs to billing couldn't be smoother or more straightforward. This feature not only enhances precision in your billing, but also saves valuable time. Make sure to keep exploring these features to make the most out of your QuickBooks experience. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing!